Robert Andrade with the Parts of the Brain video. Let's get it turned around here. Okay, three main parts of the brain. This whole part here is the cerebrum. And this back part here is the cerebellum. And down here we have the brainstem. Now this is divided into 4 lobes. And it's also named after the respective muscles and bones thereby. So that's pretty easy to remember. There's the temporal lobe, frontal lobe, parietal lobe, and the occipital lobe. Now the texture of this, get out of here now, damn kids. So the texture of this, the convolutions, they're called gyrus and sulci. Gyrus is just the little bumps on it, while the grooves, the little valleys, are called the sulci. And now, if we cut this thing right down the middle in half, that would be a sagittal cut, and we would be cutting along the longitudinal fissure. And here is the lateral ventricle. Then we have the thalamus, and under the thalamus, cleverly named the hypothalamus, and below that, the pituitary gland. Now over here, getting to the brainstem, we have a midbrain. Below that, there's a bump there, which is the pons. I didn't really draw that to reflect it right the first time. And on down is the medulla oblongata. These younger kids are too young to appreciate the water boy. You know what I'm talking about. And over here was the cerebellum. But when you cut it in half like that, you see these things here that resemble a tree, and that's called the arbor vitae.